Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this commune or town located in the Calvados department in the Normandy region in northwestern France. It is known in particular for its famous and delicious cheese. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting cheese names too, so make sure to stay tuned. How do you pronounce this? For reference, in French, it is said as pont, pont with a silent T, meaning bridge in French, pont, l'évêque, l'évêque, Pont-l'Évêque, Pont-l'Évêque is how it is said in France. It'd be fine in English to say it as Pont-l'Évêque, Pont-l'Évêque from French, Pont-l'Évêque. And now you know. Did you get this? Are you able to pronounce this correctly? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting cheese names and names of famous places around France and Normandy whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.